The next report in our list is called Tightening Prices. All right. Tightening prices, also called range contradiction or price compression, occurs when a stock's daily trading range, high or low, gets progressively smaller over several days. All right. It's very important. Tightening price is one of the most powerful setup patterns in technical analysis, especially for breakout traders. Here's why: decreasing volatility, sellers and buyers are reaching equilibrium. Supply and demand are becoming balanced. All right, that's number one. Uh, Number two, what we have is called a coiling spring effect. The longer prices tighten, the more potential energy builds up, where it eventually breaks. And the move is often explosive, which means up. All right. Institutional accumulation. Smart money institutions often quietly accumulate shares during tight ranges without pushing the price up much. All right. Um, this happens all the time. All right. Uh, an institution wants to buy stock, well, number one, as cheaply as possible. Number two, as quietly as possible. And number three, when volatility is low. So as prices tighten up, volatility is also low. And then pre-breakout stage tightening is frequently seen just before a major breakout. Now that can go up or down. All right. But one of the things that I've done in terms of this report is be aware that tightening prices can also lead to a downward breakout. But this version of tightening prices also requires the stock to be increasing in value. And of course, this is not investment advice. So let's just pop up a few. All right, and we'll bring the report up. I've got quite a few that I've been testing with here. So let's just bring the most recent one up. All right. So I'm going to view the whole file. This is easy. All right. CWX, and I actually verified these earlier today. CWX looks great. Okay. FNB looks great. JBIO, uh, MLPX 9, and RSI, which is Rush Street Interactive. Uh, so this is a good stock. Pay close attention to this because it will point you in the right directions very often. Uh, I refer to it every day. Right, it's on my short list of reports to look at. Actually, I look at every one of my reports, but this one's very handy. Right, so thanks.